Good morning. I'm Greg Benevent, and once again, I'm very happy to be joined by Belal Hamideh. Bilal, how you doing today?
Great as ever, Greg. Happy Father's Day. How are you doing today?
Happy Father's Day. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. It's a nice day. It's warm but not too warm, and it's gonna be a real good day out there. Got some questions that came in. Like you said, it is Father's Day. We might as well just jump right into it. The very first question is a good one. When should you get a lawyer for a car accident?
Okay, so the thing about car accident lawyers is that we charge a contingency fee. And what that means is that our fee is contingent or conditioned upon us winning money for you. It's a percentage fee structure. So if your case settles for 30,000, then the car accident lawyer charges a percentage. It's not like other types of attorneys, like contract attorneys who charge by the hour. So it's better if you have a serious injury from a car accident to consult with a car accident attorney early on, preferably immediately after the accident, so that you can get the full benefit of the car accident attorney for the same fee.
Wow, no, that makes a lot of sense. That you should do that as soon as possible. That really make that great idea. I think that sort of feeds a bit into the next question we received, which is, are accident attorneys worth it?
So, in considering whether it's worth it, there's different factors to consider.
Hmm.
Worth it in regards to reducing your stress, because it's very stressful to deal with insurance companies and insurance adjusters who only care about minimizing how much money you get. They are going to throw so many arguments at you as to why your case or claim is not worth much, and worth it in regards to the money in your pocket at the end. The clients that have come to me who have tried to resolve their claim on their own have always gotten more money after they consulted, and we retain them as a client. So, in regards to worth it, in regards to money in your pocket, my experience shows that when you have an attorney, you definitely will get more in your pocket even after you take out the attorney fees.
Wow, that's so well said. I mean, that's it's one thing to get more money. It's something else to have that peace of mind from not having to worry about it so much yourself there. I think that leads naturally to the third question, which is, how do accident attorneys work?
So, accident attorneys are involved in all facets of the claim. We make sure that all of the insurance companies are properly notified of the claim and have all the information. We request all of the records pertaining to the claim and to the accident, police report, medical records, ambulance records, whatever records that there are relating to the accident, we get all of those for you. We help to manage the medical treatment. So let's just say that you're getting treatment through health insurance and you have an HMO and you need an MRI and they're denying the MRI because they think it's not medically necessary. Then we can step in and help facilitate and ensure that you get the MRI. And then obviously we negotiate a settlement for the client from the defendant's insurance company. So that's pretty much how a car accident lawyer works in a nutshell.
Wow, that is an involved process. I can see why you'd want somebody to be a representative on your behalf. And the next question I think is one that I think a lot of folks have wondered, which is, what happens after a car accident that is not your fault?
So a car accident claim arises from tort law. A tort is when you're injured by the wrongdoing of another person. So another person failed to exercise reasonable care when they were driving their vehicle, and as a result of their failure to exercise reasonable care, you were injured. Maybe an example of failing to exercise reasonable care is speeding
Hmm.
or following someone too closely and rear-ending them. Those are examples of a tort where somebody fails to exercise reasonable care and you're injured as a result. If you can prove that you were injured through the negligence or failure to exercise reasonable care of another driver, then you can pursue a car accident claim in which you are entitled to recover your medical bills and compensated for your pain and suffering that you've endured as a result of your injuries.
Wow, that's a very thorough breakdown. I think that can provide a lot of peace of mind for someone that's going through a very difficult time. Well, those were the best of the questions that we received in the past week, Bilal. Is there anything else that you would like to say to the viewers in closing?
So, as always, I'd like to remind the viewers that we do a weekly or bi-weekly session of question and answers in which people who maybe have been injured and they want to have their question answered by a personal injury or workers' compensation attorney, you can submit your questions through our social medias. We have social media on basically every platform: Facebook, Belal Hamideh business page; Instagram, Belal Hamideh handle; same with Twitter. You can direct message us or comment. You can also leave a comment on our YouTube videos, because this will be posted on YouTube, and we will basically collect your questions throughout the week and make sure to get to them in the next question and answer session.
All right, that's very well said. Thank you. Well, thank you so much, Bilal, for coming on this morning. That was genuinely insightful.
Thank you, Greg, and happy Father's Day. Enjoy your day and be safe.
Absolutely. Happy Father's Day. Take it easy. Have a good day.